American manufacturing once drove our nation to greatness. From the Industrial Revolution to Henry Ford's Model T, American innovation and manufacturing had improved our way of life for generations. And in the 1940s, when the world became a scary place, it was American manufacturers who rose to the occasion. By ramping production of tanks, aircraft, and ammunition, American industry contributed nearly 2/3 of all Allied military equipment, outproducing the enemy and securing victory. The might of American manufacturing had freed the world from evil. As time passed, our nation began to lose its manufacturing identity. Globalization and offshoring trends transferred production to lower-cost countries in the name of profit. But now, the tide is starting to turn. Once again, Americans are called to rise to the occasion and flex their manufacturing might. Our nation's destiny relies on our ability to become self-reliant with products made here at home. And in new times of uncertainty, American innovation will once again prevail, with modern technology setting the stage for an American manufacturing renaissance. Only this time, small businesses across the country are answering the call. And the trend has only begun as reshoring efforts are bringing back work in waves. The United States is once again flexing its manufacturing muscle and recapturing our nation's greatness. American manufacturing. Let's bring it all back.